killer. I am as excited as all of you to check whether you have got all your answers right, and then only will you be awarded the title of Master. So let's quickly get into the answers. You need to have your PDF ready with you with your pen so that you can tick whatever you have got right, and I am hoping that all of you have got all the answers correct. Let us check. First one, chamber. Plural is chambers, and the rule applied is rule number 1, where you just add the letter S to get the plural form. Keep ticking whatever you are checking on your sheets. Branch, branches. Rule number 2, this singular ends in CH, so we need to add ES to make it a plural. Next word is calf. It ends with an F, so the F changes to V and we add ES to make it calves, and this is rule number 5. Lady. Plural is ladies. Y is replaced by the letter I, and then we add ES to get the plural. This is rule number 4. Index, which you normally see in your notebooks on the first page. Indices or indices, both pronunciations are correct. This is an irregular noun. The noun boy is a singular noun. It will take rule number 3, where you add an S to get the plural, which is boys. Now the reason why we use rule number 3 here is, if you look at the spelling of the word boy, it is B-O-Y. The word ends with the letter Y and it has a vowel O before it. Thus, we apply rule number 3 to this word. Zero becomes zeros. We add ES because this word is ending with the letter O and it has a consonant before it, that is R. So you add ES to make it plural. Video changes to videos. Reason? You have the letter E, which is a vowel, followed by the letter O, which is also a vowel. So this will take rule number 6 to change to the plural. Curriculum becomes curricula. This is an irregular noun. Tattoo, very much in fashion these days. Everybody seems to be having a tattoo somewhere on their bodies. Well, this is rule number 6. It ends with 2 O's, so we will add an S to make it tattoos. Address, the word ends with double S. So this will take rule number 2 and we will add ES to make it plural. Addresses. Singular is wife, and we are going to apply rule number 5 to replace the FE with VES. So it becomes wives. Embargo. If you look at the word, it ends with the letter O and it has a consonant before it, G. So this will follow rule number 7. We will add ES to it to get embargoes. Embargoes, as you can see, are signs for telling people not to do something. find this in the desert. And oasis, it is an irregular noun. It changes to oasis. The pronunciation doesn't change, but the I is replaced with E in the plural. Very simple. A teacher and many teachers. Rule number 1 has been applied here. Next is patch. It ends with a CH, so we will apply rule number 2 and make it patches in the plural. Sky. The word ends with the letter Y, so Y is replaced with I and we add ES to get skies. And this is rule number 4. Donkey. So you have EY, you have a consonant and it is preceded by a vowel. So this will take rule number 3 and you will simply add an S to make it donkeys. Penknife ends with FE. So your FE changes to VES as per rule number 5 and you get pen knives. Cute, isn't it? This little puppy. So what happens to puppy? Well, it changes to puppies. The Y is replaced by I and you add ES to the word. Girl, very simple. Just add an S to get girls. And this is rule number 1. Decoy is a bird or an animal which is used to capture wild animals. So hunters use a decoy when they want to capture a wild animal. So it is again a word ending in a consonant but preceded by a vowel, that is O. So we add an S to get the plural. Rule number 3, the plural is decoys. Patio, which ideally is a veranda or a terrace. This takes rule number 6. It adds an S to get patios. Rule number 6 is applied here again because the word patio ends with O. It has a vowel I before it. So we use rule number 6 and add an S to it. Halo takes the 7th rule and it adds ES to get the plural, which is halos. Paper, simple word. You add an S by applying rule number 1 and you get papers. It's not peppers, it's papers. The R is silent. You don't say papers. It's paper and papers. Okay. Life, singular. Lives, plural. Rule number 5, adding VES and removing FE. Bakery, this follows rule number 4, where the Y is replaced with I and you add ES to get bakeries. This one is an irregular noun. Cactus becomes cacti. We don't say cactuses, we say cacti. Studio, again, just like patio, you have I-O. So this will take rule number 6 and the plural becomes studios. Just an S is added. Virus, which is playing havoc with all of us since more than a year now, changes to viruses. This is rule number 2 the word ends with S, so you add ES to it. Valley. Valley ends in EY, a vowel and a consonant. So this simply follows rule number 3. We add an S to get valleys. This Y does not become IES because it has a vowel before it. So we need to understand how these rules work and why they are different. Banjo, musical instrument, ends with the letter O, has a consonant J before it. So it will take rule number 7 and we will add ES to get the plural, which is banjos.